This is a brand new 2012 Ford Expedition. It features a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, power adjustable driver pedals, a power moonroof, heated front seats, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a rear-view camera, 18-inch wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, 4-wheel independent suspension, running boards, dusk sensing headlights, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.